Friday on 4, Treasure Hunt takes you on a whirlwind tour of Singapore.
In a moment, Steve discovers that there's more than one monster to every lock, and Mrs. Peel racks her brain in the dungeon of Castle Death.
Everything you wear says something about the kind of woman you are. That's why the perfume you choose is Tweed. Because wherever you are and whoever you're with, Tweed says just what you want it to say, right through the day and longer. Tweed Parfum de Toilette Spray, the finishing touch.
Ladies and gentlemen, the pleasure I offer is hard to resist. The finest assortment in the world, I insist. Milk and plain chocolates, all stars in their right, with centers so splendid you'll thrill with delight. Too many to remember, not one to forget. Some you might recognize, some you won't yet. They're all made by Terry's. Ah, I see you're impressed. Now, all that remains is their name. Have you guessed? Terry's Harlequin, an assortment of magical tastes.
When my man puts on blue straddles, I know he's into something new. When my man puts on blue straddles, there ain't nothing he can't do, and he ain't doing better now. When my man puts on blue straddles, I don't need to sing the blues.
Blue Stratos. Cool, quiet confidence.
Believe me, honey.
Television and Radio 1985. It's a lively, colourful book full of features, background stories, pictures, and facts about independent television and radio, about the future, and much, much more. It's all in Television and Radio 1985. Price £3.90. In your bookshops now.
Now on 4, a kilted Gordon Jackson, as nature doubtless intended him, pays host to McSteed and Mrs. Peel.